Hello, YouTubers. What's up? All right, now I got a few of y'all been asking about my little welding cart, so I'm gonna try to just go through this, and I know it looks like a lot. It looks like a mess, but I'm gonna tell you right now. While I'm explaining things, then you'll kind of see. All right, we'll start off with the cart itself. Yeah, it looks like a mess. Ooh. Yeah, that's a plasma cutter right there, buddy. Yep. And yep, that is a tick torch. That is a stick welder. Little connector, That's my long ground. Oh yeah, see that little fella in the back? Oh yeah, that's my little grinder. This is my power strip across here. All hooks up to one, even a little 90 amp flux coil welder right there. Gets plugged into everything right there. All right, power, just the regular, this is gonna go to my lead, whatever. This is my ground right there, and I got it over on the side. Amazon sent me this little fella right here. It was a nice little thing. I tried it out, and man, I've had people tell me that this little floor scroll wire welder wouldn't do. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know now. I can tell it, and I'm gonna show it either way. Yes, sir. I have a foot pedal that I work with too. Yes, sir. This is my little Guitar Hero foot pedal. Yes, sir. It got about 10 foot of little cord with it. I got it all hooked up through here. If you watch my other one of my other videos, you see where I done the conversion to stick welder. Well, that right there is my foot pedal for that I was working with tonight. Now, back on the back side. All right, right here is my little setup for my plasma cutter. Little 24 little box, just a little setup for it. We're just going through it a little bit, little by little. How I got everything kind of set up on this cart for what I'm really doing. Got the little wheels on it, you get everything plugs in right to one contained unit. The plasma, my long ass TIG torch like crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, that's funny looking. Some little cheap old Harbor Freight little goggles. Look at that cheap ass dollar thing. Let's see. This is how I got to get. This is actually a charcoal grill. When you leave shit at my house for over a year, it's one of them gas grills, and you leave it at my house, and hell, you won't even answer your phone for months, and you just show up one day like, hey man, you remember that grill? I said, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's that little welding cart. Check out my new welding cart. Ain't it cool? I don't know, I'm playing. Not really. Anyway, this is my little welding cart. My little gloves. I got little cheap little gloves. I love that shit. Oh yeah, just let everybody know that I don't have Harbor Freight's not my sponsor. There's nobody sponsoring me. The tools I have are things I've got on my own. The everything you see is everything I bought, and it's just things that what I'm trying to do is just show people how you can make do, or just just create just what you need. And if you have any questions, I'm always here. I mean, all you got to do is turn around and hit me up, and I'll turn around and I'll send you messages. I'll answer each one of your little messages and all that. So, I mean, y'all have any questions? If you want me to build something out, I mean, the things I got coming up here in the next couple weeks, I'm going to have enough stuff build. I mean, hell, I got a spider outside there I'm fixing to build. I already got the frame and all that done. We about to see if we can make some mud. We're going to do some go-karts. We're going to do some but, this is, Steven's do-it-yourself lab, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you know now. There got a couple gun systems that we fixing to work on. I'm fixing to work on trying to do a couple of 410 pistols. I got try a double barrel pistol. I'm not sure that's gonna work, but I'm checking into the legal part of it now. But this is my little cart. Every time when I build something, you'll get a glance to this little cart. Like I said, 90 amp flux core welder, and everything else. This whole cart, if I had to add up what I've actually spent, $65 on the welder. Well, 68. I think it's like $16, $17. Hell, I found that. I bought the welding rods. I ain't gonna tell you what store it was. Harbor Freight. But anyway, this right here, you know what store it is. I'm just gonna say you know what store it is. That right there was like $5. No, it was like $3 actually. There's a little thing right there. So everything else, basically everything I have here, and that gas grill broke down. It was just falling apart in the yard. I mean, I'm gonna make a sandblast cabinet out of that. I'm kind of working in on that now. That little cabinet, the little top of the main of the grill right there, the compartment is gonna make a damn good little sandblast cabinet. That's why I done that with that air tank. Everything I do, there's a sadness to my madness. All right, look, I need subscribers, man. You want to know when I got, I put something out, hit the little button, hit the little bell, and I'll let you know. Subscribe. You like, comment, say something. You know what I mean? Ain't no big deal. Just, hell, you want to cuss about it? Cuss about it. Go ahead. All right, too much damn cussing though. I'll turn around and I get on to you about that. But I mean, if you got a legit bitch, then go ahead. But let's see what you got. I ain't saying I know everything, but damn it, I ain't gonna be talked down like a dummy neither. All right, y'all have questions? Let me know. Steve, I'm out.